Iodáil, Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic Iodáil, Rannóg Saoire san Iodáil, ag díriú an Léitheoireacht. Level A1, topic 12, section 13, a holiday in Italy, focusing on reading. Lemuna, tuair mí lorg agus a thuairt faoin áit, seeking and giving opinions about a place. Like an bhfuilteog Saoire san Iodáil uait an gníomhaíocht seo, you'll need a handout, a holiday in Italy for this activity. There's a link in the description box below to the handouts and the notes for the lesson. And I stop on Fishon agus Creachnig on Gníomhaíocht. And now stop the video and complete the activity and then come back and correct your answers. Saoire san Iodáil, na freagraí. The answers. A Míle a chora. Tá mé Saoire san Iodáil le pádraig. Tá muid ag fanacht in óstán beag I Míle in closamhairc in aice le pizza. Tá éireann eile an agus go leor Francach ag fanacht san óstán chomh maith. Tá siad fad an deas agus an chordúil. Tá na Laethanta saoire anseo go hiontach. Éiríonn an íochlag agus téann díreach go dtí an trá I ní má bhríochfeasta. Itheann malón I Míle in aice leis an trá. Téann ag snáil go achan lá, imríonn pádraig galf achan tránóna, agus téann féin ag siúil sa cheantar. Téimiid go dtí na bialanna agus na tithe táirne san oíche. Is brá liom an bia anseo, ach is fearr liom an bia in éireann. Tá an aimseir an te. Bhíonn teocht tríocha trí an achan lá, ach is cuma liom, mar tá is agat is brá liom an ghrian. Tá mé ag dul abhaile de híine, chuirfeadh mé gléach ort an sathairn. Buin tú féin agus Joe sult as an cheolcharm I Míle clia, slán tamil, una. And now let's go through the postcard line by line. Saoire san Iodáil, a holiday in Italy. A Míle a chora, Sheila my friend. Tá mé Saoire san Iodáil le pádraig. I'm on holiday in Italy with pádraig. Tá muid ag fanacht in óstán beag I Míle in closamhairc in aice le pizza. We're staying in a small hotel in a beautiful town beside the sea, beside pizza. Tá éireann eile agus go leor Francach ag fanacht san óstán chomh maith. There are other Irish and lots of French people staying in the hotel as well. Tá siad fad an deas agus an chordúil. They're all very nice and very friendly. Tá na Laethanta saoire anseo go hiontach. The holidays here are wonderful. Éiríonn an íochlag agus téann díreach go dtí an trá I ní má bhríochfeasta. I get up at 9 o'clock and I go straight to the beach after my breakfast. Itheann malón I Míle in aice leis an trá. I eat my lunch in a restaurant beside the sea or beside the beach. Téimig sná ach an lá. I go swimming every day. Imríonn pádraig golf ach an tránóna agus téim féin ag siúl sa cheantar. Pádraig plays golf every afternoon, and I myself go walking in the district or in the area sa cheantar. Téimid go dtí na bialanna agus na tithe san ihe. We go to the restaurants and the pubs in the nighttime or in the evening. Is bra lam an bia anseo, ach is fearr lam an bia in Éireann. I like the food here, but I prefer the food in Ireland. Tá an aimsir ante. The weather is very hot. Bíonn teocht tríoch an gacha lá ach an lá, ach is cuma mar tá is agad is bra lam an ghrian. So the temperature is 33 degrees every day, but I don't care. As you know, I love the sun. Tá méid dul abhaile de hína. I'm going home on Friday. Cuireadh me Léitheoireacht an Saturn. I'll call you on Saturday. Buin tú féin agus Joe sult as an cheolchearm in Míle clia. Enjoy the concert in Dublin, or I hope you and Joe enjoy the concert in Dublin. Slán Thomas, bye for now, Una. Agus siad na freagraí an lista, Ibrahim os A Ostan, Ibra dó C Aca, Ibra 3 B Fannacht, Ibra 4 B an Chordúil, Ibra 5 C Irene, Ibra 6 a Bhricfasta A, Ibra 7 B Mílan, Ibra 8 C Tithe, Ibra 9 D Fear, Ibra 10 C Bra. Anish, lay an carta amach os ord, and now read the card out loud. Feach an bhachal achan. Look at the word achan. Cad is sprí leis, what does it mean? An féidir leat suíomh an leagan de achan I do chanún féin na man an úsáid tú é. Can you think of the form of the word achan in your canon if you don't use this particular one? Má úsáid tú achan, an féidir leat suíomh leagan eile d'achan. If you do use achan, can you think of another form of achan? Achan, every, Ulster dialect, gach, gach éan, gach ille, or other forms of achan. An féidir leat suíomh ein difríochtaí eile atá ann idir na canontaí fad. Can you think of any other differences between the different dialects? Then play Garrett na canontaí. If you have a study buddy, have a brief discussion about the dialects and what you know about them. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thabhairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanamh as. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.